We'll come out, it takes us this many hours to get there. Power is contagious. It shows its effect around. So you can only fight by balancing with the dominant character of your power. And as good guys, you've got to have power. If you really want to gain the right to interfere, otherwise you'll be burning inside. You simply stand there and observe as they ruthlessly massacre your own relatives, spill their blood, and reduce them to ruins directly in front of your eyes. You can't do anything. If you don't have the power, you can't do it. There's no such thing as intervening in a weak state. Oh my goodness. Imagine the Prophet in Mecca, for example, people who have faith in her. Ammar bin Yasser, may Allah be pleased with him. His father's name is Yasser and his mother's name is Sumayyah. They torture. They have subjected their bodies to harsh treatment. They are conversing in a slow manner. The Prophet is unable to intervene with them in Mecca, as he does not possess the power to do so, and it is not as if he can simply walk over there either. They can't do anything other than passing by and comforting them. Hazreti Abu Bakr says, I wish you were also slaves. I'd at least purchase it. They aren't slaves either. Productive, they've been liberated. Thus, my beloved pals. Can't snatch it like Bilal. Bilal made offer, said, sell me this, because he was a slave. These ain't sellable by any means. They've been set free, you know, so they tortured at the cost of their lives. The Prophet could not intervene. Are we more charismatic? Just imagine Hazreti Omar. Think about Hazreti Abu Bakr. Maybe Hazreti Omar hadn't become a Muslim yet. Just think about Hazreti Abu Bakr. Think about the other companions. They couldn't intervene. If you don't have the power, you can't intervene. If it's beyond your power, you can't intervene, dude. You can't just enter without any hesitation or say, let me enter blindly. So it could mean putting yourself in danger, like putting yourself in danger in your own community. But this time, it could lead to more trouble, like falling into a trap.